Farming is essential for life. It provides the food we eat. In today's world, technology is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one such technology. AI is making farming smarter and more efficient. It's like having a smart assistant on the farm. It can analyze data, learn from patterns, and make decisions. This helps farmers make better choices. AI is transforming how we grow our food. AI is already being used in many ways. It helps farmers plant seeds at the right depth and spacing. AI can also monitor crop health and detect pests early on. With AI, farming is stepping into a new era of innovation. AI is transforming every stage of farming. Let's see how. Planting is made easier with AI-powered machines. These machines can plant seeds with precision. They ensure optimal spacing and depth. This leads to healthier crops and better yields.
Monitoring crops is crucial. AI makes it more efficient. Drones equipped with cameras can fly over fields. They capture images of the crops. AI algorithms analyze these images. They can identify signs of disease or stress in plants. Early detection helps farmers take timely action. Harvesting is another area where AI shines. AI-powered robots can work tirelessly in the fields. They can identify and pick ripe produce. This reduces the reliance on manual labor. It also speeds up the harvesting process, ensuring that food reaches our tables faster.
AI brings numerous benefits to farmers. Efficiency is a key advantage. AI automates tasks like planting and monitoring. This frees up farmers' time. They can focus on other important aspects of their farms. AI also helps optimize resource allocation. This reduces waste and saves money.
Cost saving is another major benefit. AI helps farmers reduce their expenses on labor, water, and fertilizers. By optimizing resource use, AI contributes to sustainable farming practices. Farmers can increase their profits while minimizing their environmental impact. AI also leads to better yields. By monitoring crop health and detecting problems early on, AI helps farmers take timely action. This prevents crop loss and ensures a more abundant harvest. Healthier crops mean more food for everyone.